And we are live to exactly 0 viewers. It is a good time to be loading up Maya. Yeah. So, took a break, went and had some dinner, spent some time with the girlfriend. Now I'm having a peach creamsicle beer. It's weird. It tastes different. It's very peach forward, though. All right. So, to save time, I think I'm just going to have to build it in here. All right. So, what I'm going to do is this. Parts. There we go. Then we're going to do this, and we're going to create a new one, and this layer will be Faith. What was it? It was Faithful Bride. Ooh, excuse me. So we're just going to do this. Save. There we go. Okay, so now what we can do, since we'll have all these parts, right, is we can start putting the parts together. So we'll do this. Oh, right. It's the front that I have blown up. Okay, so the front. And go to the back. Interesting. Okay. In the front. There we go. The back, we're just going to move over like that. Oh my God, it's just completely different spot. Huh? Oh. Interesting. That's kind of weird that they're not in the same spot. Yeah, why are they in different spots? Yeah, whatever. All right, let's build this sucker. All right, so we're going to start with laying the foundation. All right, actually, we should probably create a group. So let's do this. Foundation, foundation, foundation. There it is. That's not what I wanted. Okay. There we go. Control G. This will be faithful. Faithful ride. There we go. And then we want to, there we go. All right. see here. Shortcut to, wait. It's Maya shortcut to duplicate objects. To do shift drag. There we go. Now I need to snap, right? Snap to grid, snap to point, snap to center. Would this be snap to point? Oh. I'll have to adjust that if I want to snap to point. That's kind of poopy. Part of me kind of wants to do the foundation last, actually. Let's see. What do we want first? Let's do a wall. Let's do this bottom wall here. No, that's roof blank. Ooh, it's warm in here. Let me turn on the fan. I should probably go get my sweater just in case. Wall blank. There it is. There we go. Oh, that feels beautiful. There we go. Oh, wait. There we go. Although I should probably do this. This will be like my most complex scene ever, right? There we go. Look at that. We've got this layer here. Although I think this is a bit off because I need the support wall beams, support beam wall, right? And support beam building. I need one of these and one of these. Oh my god, it's so tiny. Wait, is it really tiny or just where is it? Oh my god, some of these are legit missing. Oh, wait. That's right. Support beam building. Support beam wall. I'm an idiot. There we go. I was like, what the hell is going on here? They definitely need to be scaled up though. Okay, so this is the building. Where's the wall? Let's here's the wall. Let's move that one over. We'll take the building. We're gonna scale this one up. Luckily, I made it in such a way that this should be possible. There we go. Right there is what we want. And then right there. That is beautiful. Okay, so that's good. Now what we want is we need the wall. We need the, what is it? It's the supports, right? Okay. There we go. And then we we hold shift and move that over. There we go. Beautiful. Wait, what? There we go. And then we need this one, which we want a Z of 90, 0, 90, 0, 90, 0, 90. There we go. I got it right the first time and then failed miserably at it the next couple of times. All right, so let's put this one into place here. Interesting enough, this doesn't have the same support kind as the other one. There we go. There we go. All right. And then all along the bottom is entirely based off of these being empty, right? So we can just do the entire bottom this way. And that just solves the entire problem here. Is this 190? No. There we go. I think this one I might want to make a bit bigger because I think it's too thin. Actually, you know what? No, I want this one to be this one here. I don't even care. I want these to be, the edges should all be the same, right? Like there. All right, so it looks like we're going to go 4 down, but square windows on the, we'll do square windows on the, no, we'll just do 4 down. because we don't know what this backside looks like, but we're going to assume that it's all this, right? So we're going to do this. And so we should do this first. No, 90. Nope. There we go. Right there. There we go. Sweet. Sweet Caroline. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There we go. And then we've got to go 4. Wow, these side ones are definitely differently sized. Yeah, this needs to come down. It wasn't me. Sweet Caroline. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Three and 4. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Okie dokie. We want to just do this. Oops. What we want to do is this right here. And then we'll take these two and we'll move them forward. There we go. Look at that. We're getting somewhere. This is actually starting to look like the building, eh? Okay, so 6 across. Okie dokie. So let's get on to this 6 here. Three, 4, 5, 6. There we go. And then we need square window. How? How is this still? I could have swore that I saved this. Oh, okay. I did. Wait, this has the... Where are the... Oh, god damn it. Did I not save this? I thought I saved it. Maybe I forgot. Oh, god. God. Mm. Do. Do. There we go. Oops. Okay, there we go. This is so scuffed. Yeah, and then this one would be scale. No, that I'm just gonna delete that. Where did my other ones go? There we go. There. There we go. There. And then we need the right hinges. So I think these two here, this one will be a bottom hinge. These ones don't need to be adjusted. We just wanted to move them over. And then we will need to do this one here, which is a little bit unfortunate, but whatever. There we go. There we go. And here we go. Right there. Beautiful. All right, now D. Oops. Ugh. Oh, wait, no, I've got this wrong. Okay, right blind. Here. Left blind. Okay, so left blind, D. I said D. There we go. There we go. Right blind. There we go. Beautiful. All right. There we go. Okie dokie. That's not what I wanted. -90. Then move this sucker into place. Boom. Boom. I only wish this went super smooth. It's the only thing that I wish was that this went as smooth as I would hope it would have, but it did not. Which is kind of poopy, but whatever. It's not the end of the world. There we go. I forgot to do something. I should have moved this one over differently. You can kind of hear it. Just like a little bit. Oh, wait. This is the wrong one. I want another foundation one. Yeah, I'm not going to stop doing my homework for this. Fire alarm be damned. I am going to do my homework. Ah, there we go. Fire alarm has stopped. There we go. Still feel like these were a bit longer, but like, eh. Okay, so we do that one. That one. Yeah, this one's got the interesting. So this one's got a skirt around it. There we go. We're going to have to keep adjusting these, but yeah. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. It's just beautiful. This is coming along really, really nicely, I think. Okay, and then I want... this one. Right? And then... That's great. It just as a collective whole, it's just noped. That's so good. Look how bad that is. It's so bad. Okay. So what we want is this. Right? And then what we do want is to move this one out like so. To there. Excuse me. And then this one will move out too. Oh, I can hear the popo. Well, it's not really the popo, it's the firefighters. There we go. This is like really thin, this section here. But okie dokie. There we go. There. All right, and then these apparently need to be brought back. I brought them too far forward. There we go. And this can just be deleted. Because we're gonna put the fireplace there. So that should be fine. There we go. Well, one, let's delete that. We don't need that. Just make this a little bit bigger. There we go. Beautiful. Let's do that to all of these. These ones are all going to need to be just a little bit longer. There we go. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. I really love that. I like a lot. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, so now we need a wall with arch. Oh wait, no, that's the wrong one. Actually no. No, it's not. We do need this one though. Booyah. Wait, what? Where is the wall? Oh my god, the wall. The wall is missing. That's just great. Just fucking fantastic. What is this? Oh, this is this one. There we go. Okay, so this means that we need to take this, and we need to move them both out with this, this, and this. This just entirely needs to come forward. Like this. And it also means that I need to readjust this. Damn. Poopy. It's kind of okay. I think this needs to be a little bit larger. There we go. Oh, you know what? This doesn't actually have that. Never mind. These ones have custom versions of these. So I can work with this. They're just like really thick versions. Do, 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 do. And I'm gonna have to adjust that one too. I need to make these really big. Squish. Squish, squish. Ah, that's too big. All right, this is fine. Here, and then we'll just bring this out and just make it a bit like that. Okay, and then oops. Let me just do this. There we go. And then I think this I just need to make a little bit wider and longer. And then this will solve that problem. Okay, so I'm going to start by making this a little bit wider. There we go. So we can have a little bit more room, right? There, right? And then if we do this, there we go. Then we can do this. And this. There we go. Voila. And then we can make these a bit smaller. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, and then we need a wall with a door. Is it tiny or just... Oh, there it is. Oh wait, that's wrong. 90? No. There we go. I'm actually surprised at how fast this goes together. Let's make this a tiny, tiny bit bigger. There we go. Oh, this needs to be negative 90. There we go. There we go. That's weird. There we go. Let's put the bars in. We'll just squish it over a bit. And squish it down. There we go. Let's do the fireplace. Do, 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 do. There we go. Fireplace is in position, pretty much. Yeah, we want a little bit on both sides. There we go. Beautiful. Look at that. This is coming together so well. I'm actually incredibly happy right now. I don't think that it's possible to understand just how incredibly happy I am right now. I really should have placed the top here first. That probably would have been a good idea. There we go. Actually, this one, the tops don't need any extras on top. Actually, no, they should. Yeah, there we go. And we'll pull that out a bit, which also means that we're going to have to readjust this. Davey D. Jan 3D, howdy. Howdy to you as well. I'm sorry if I butchered your name. I am terrible with names. There we go. And then we need one more here. Yes, very much butchered. No problem though. Sweet. Yeah, I butcher pretty much everybody's name. Unless we're having a voice call, I have like no hope of pronouncing your name correctly. There we go. I think this is coming along quite nicely. There we go. Okay. Oh, oh. Yay. Oh, look at that. Those need to be deleted. Ah. Oh no, they are the right size. They're just literally in the wrong spots. How? How did this even happen? Left end. There. No, these are definitely... no, I think they are the right size. Yeah, it's just these that are the wrong size. Oops. There. There we go. I recommend snapping your objects to match the center point of the mesh walls under them. I don't actually know how to do that. Yeah, I find that that doesn't usually end up working for me. I don't know why. I wish I knew why. Okay. I fixed this one. Okay, so right blind. Okay, that one's good. And then left blind. Nope. Oh, wow. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, so we're on the left. So we want that one. And those two. Move these over. There. So I think I want them exactly where they are. Okay, there we go. Okay. All right, so left blind as a whole. There we go. And then so that's weird as fuck. Weird, but okay. Top level group. Delete your history. Oh. Like that? Or Freeze transform. Oh, okay, that's probably what it is. No, it's still doing that. To do this one, right? Oops. Oh, that fixed it. Thank you. Okay. Wall width rounded. Also, just select the mesh you want. Press the up arrow to go. Oh, I didn't know that. See, I'm learning. I am on the learns. There we go. There we go. Hold V on those duplicates and snap to the center point of the mesh wall under it to make things easier. But it never works. I always have so much trouble with it. Well, that's working. Why is it working now? It never works when I really want it to. Okay, so where is this one? That, and then I want this and this. Shift V. It kind of worked. Okay, let's move this then, B. That one can be deleted. This one just needs to be moved over just a little bit. Well, now it wants to work. Okay, so this one I need to... There we go. There we go. Can't remember if I Yeah, whatever. I had a feeling that I was gonna have to. Okay, so this one. Oops. Ah, there. Shift V. Well, that's beautiful. Well, this is going a lot faster now, thanks to you. God, why'd you have to, you know, give me good ideas and show me how to make this thing work? Jeez. These corner ones don't work properly. That's fine though. This one I think I need to move over a bit. There we go. Do you know how to UV? That's a good question. It's a bit hard to answer. Do I know how to UV? Sort of. Sort of is the right answer. It's just probably not the answer that we're looking for. That's so good. Look at that. Oh, they're just off by a lot. There we go. Delete history and freeze. Okay. Now, where were we? This one here. Yeah. Wanted to move this in. %1,000% best advice if you are in school, go find someone on ArtStation you really like and ask them to tutor you for an hour every week. Pay them their hourly rate. This will help you more than your school teachers. That's fair. My school teachers are actually pretty good though. Like they do help a lot. And I ask them questions all the time and they seem to always have they have answers. It's just one of those. Why is that happening? Why is it like this? There are double transforms. I don't know what double transforms are. What are those? Delete history. You're selecting two things and trying to transform them. Oh. So I have to do these kind of separately. Okay, so these are the wall hinges. I just you had the answer. Essentially just do it differently. Here we go. Whee! Oops, that's C and not B. There we go. Here we go to save the day. Oh god, that's not what I wanted. Okay, here we go. No, I want the entire thing. There. Control Shift. Boom. Right. 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 There. So good. Remember your mouse when you use V, hover over the vertex you want to snap to. I'm trying. I just learned sort of kind of a little bit kind of maybe how to use snaps like 10 seconds ago when you saw me do it for the first time. It was the first time snaps actually worked for me. This one here, I need to move over. There. Maybe a little bit more. Oops. If uh 180. No, negative 90. No more outliner. Up arrow. What's up arrow do? I'm still so confused. Wait, what? Ugh. Oh, right. Right, you were saying that, and then there we go. Okay. I'm getting it there. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Slowly but surely. I will get there eventually. It just might take me a year. Wait, did I accidentally put one in there? No, okay, I did not. Okay, then. Boom, boom, boom. You have today. The demands. Very demanding. I am aware that this is totally off, and I'm okay with that. There we go. There we go. Oh, man. There we go. Oof. Time is becoming short. Okay. Let's see. Set up new camera that matches the reference angle. Make an orthographic camera. This will help you. I don't actually know how to do that. I've thought about looking into it. But do I need that since all the parts are already built? Don't think about looking into it. Look into it. I get to things eventually. Oh man. The future, in the future it will always help. I I agree. It will be great. I just wonder if it's worth doing right this moment. Also put in a 6-foot human for scene. I have one. I do have one. Just gonna make these a little bit wider. There we go. Keep them on and in the scene. There's my human. Used him whenever I needed a reference for how tall something was going to be. He's a bartender too, so he belongs right there. Now make things scale to it. Oh no, everything is scaled to that character. Everything I scaled everything to that character. This is the first time I've had to like actually build something like this, and I've fucked up a good chunk of it. And I've definitely made my life more difficult than it needed to be. That is something that I 100% did by screwing up some things at the beginning. Oh, yeah, that was no fun. Oops. Oh, excuse me. There we go. Okay, and now for stairs. There's the stairs. Edit. Delete history. Just in case. Add selected object. Huh. Oh, wait, right. Yeah, there we go. I'm not gonna lie. Well, there's a lot of things that I fucked up. I actually learned so much doing this, and I'm actually quite happy with this. With my end product, well, it's pretty scuffed, and lots and lots and lots and lots of room for improvement. I'm all in all, I'm pretty happy with it. I forgot to hit the up arrow. There we go. Like look how well this is coming together. This has only taken me an hour and 30 minutes so far to put together. And I know that's a long time, but I'm slow. This is how we progress. Yes. Yes. Also save your shit. I've been saving. Totally. Before Maya crashes it. I think I have yet to actually have a Maya crash, which is kind of like impressive. I haven't. I was lying. I was straight up fabricating that. No, I haven't been saving. that was not something that I was doing. Oh no, I did just save. when you said save before Maya crashes your shit, I saved immediately. But yeah, I hadn't been saving before that. Increment and save. I'm not okay, so I'm not used to saving with control S, right? Like it just doesn't it's not natural to me anymore. Uh so like saving with control S just isn't something I do all the time cuz like so I incrementally save all the frickin' time when I'm editing code. No control S. But control S is it, right? Save scene. Oh, control alt S. What's increment and save? Increment and yeah, but what's the difference? What's this do? When your file corrupts, you lose everything, then you will find out. Oh. Well, that's poopy. Why does it corrupt? Well, that's good to know. See, I'm learning. Ah, okay. I wish it was a bit more automated. Okay, so was no. Mm, where is the roof support? That's what I wanted. Huh? There it is. A 12 terabyte hard drive is $250 and a it's $250. A lost and corrupted scene can cost a company thousands. That's why we always increment and save. That's fair. I'm not debating that. um, I actually do have a lot of storage too. I just need to finish hooking it up. I haven't gotten around to it yet. I'm putting the fear of God into you. It will help you in the future. I don't doubt it. I I save all the time in my day to day. So I also write a lot of unit tests. Lots of unit tests. Big fan of unit tests. Not something that you have to deal with in 3D. There we go. That's a really weird pivot point. Huh? Yeah, that's a really weird pivot point. Is there a shortcut to get it to snap to the center of the object itself? There we go. Thank you. There we go. That's better. Oh, that's not bad. That's a good idea. Wait. Ah, negative 180. Here we go. Whee! Do you press F for frame? Not often. I probably should do it more often, but I don't. I don't know. I'm bad at like all of this stuff. Negative 90? Here we go. There's so much when it comes to 3D that I don't understand 90% of what I do when it comes to 3D stuff. So yeah. Oh wait, this doesn't exist. Is it the Y? I want to say it's Y. No. There we go. Are you not? You are not bad. You are learning. You are bad when you stop learning and you think you know it all. I by that logic, I will never be bad at this. Oh, wait. I thought I put one there. Where did that one go? There we go. We wanted one right there. There. With that said, then, I will never be bad at 3D modeling. Because I will never think that I know even a fraction of any of this. That day will just never come. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. There we go. And then bottom roof corner. Let's do this one. Okay, so right click. Wait, what was it? It was right click. No, select mesh. Go to modify. Wait. Select mesh. Modify. Fifth from the left. Center pivot point. Yay! Dude, you saved me so much time and effort here. Oof. Wow, I think I made this a bit too big. Yeah, this needs to scale down. This too big. Now go make it a hotkey. I will do that at some point that is not right now. Just because I really need to get this done as quickly as possible. I will probably actually do that tomorrow. Not gonna lie, I'll probably do it tomorrow. Modify center pivot point. 69.3. Wait. What was it? It was, yeah, 0.693. 0.693. Wait, what? No, that was weird. Okay, there we go. 0.693. 0.693. 0.693. Add to selected layer. Add to... Okay. Oh, it's because it's frozen. Just so I could see them individually. Only reason, yeah. Only reason. Seemed like the right thing to do. Or control. Press H or control 1. Wait, what does H or control 1 do? I am curious and would like to know. Control 1 makes the mesh the only thing visible. Try it out now. Control 1. Oh, cool. What does H do? Oh, H just hides it. Why do I have a second one there? That's weird. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I am super close to having this done. I think I'm just gonna delete that one and make this one longer. We'll just do this. Just for this one. I would not normally do this, and this should have been something that I planned for and whatnot, but oh well. I'm letting you slide on this one for now, but for the love of God, don't stack meshes like you are doing. Snap those messages together. I'm guessing that it creates issues with the textures, right? Like it will create issues with textures in the future if I do that, right? It causes fighting faces. That's the thingy, like where it like shimmers depending on like how you're looking at it, right? Yeah. I didn't know that was what it was called. Yeah, I hate it when that happens. I would not normally do it, and I really would love to. I wish that when I started, I made these better, and I fucked up the first like 10 parts, and I was like, I've come too far, and I can't fix it right now. And I was like, I have until I'm running low on time to get this in. So I'm just like, all right, well, I'm just gonna have to deal with having fucked up shit right now. Make them based on a unit like a meter, a 1/4 meter, etc. Yeah, so that's my plan for next time. I didn't do it this time, which was stupid and bad. um, yeah, no, that's definitely something that I will need to. I've learned from. Yes, yes. It was a good learning experience though. I learned firsthand why you shouldn't do stupid things that I didn't realize was stupid at the time. Like it seemed very logical at the moment when I did it. Um, and then after I had to deal with it, I was like, this was a bad idea. That was stupid. um, and that's when I learned and vowed to never do that again. Yeah. Let's just make this a little bit here and here. All right, let's just try and oof. I think I made these top pieces a bit too big. Ugh. This corner piece is too big. Although I think I can make it work though. I think I can make this work. No, I can't make that work. This does need to be smaller. Okay, this is coming in. Yeah. Faces. There. Vertices. Oh God, I spent so much time working on that too. That's very depressing. Uh, Why did it do that? That's not very nice. Ah, there we go. Much better. Yeah. I've learned so much for next time. I just wish that I had learned it earlier. Where's my next roof? I need the roof with window. Where's roof with window? Roof with window. There it is. Okay. That was weird. Select the tool in the outer line. There are actually two outlined windows under the outer. Is that little line that looks like a... Did you pull that up? What am I looking at? This one here? I am very confused. The outliner left. This one? That's cool. Oh my God. That's amazing. Oh. Kind of poopy. Still cool. Yeah, no. I totally see the usefulness of it. Like 100%. I see the usefulness. Okie dokie. Let's get this scaled in. I made these pieces way too big. And now it is causing problems. Hey, cool. I think I got that mostly in. I think that's actually in place. Oh, yay! 1, 2, 3. There we go. Stop combing you. It's gonna fuck. In the future, stop your meshes like you are now. That window should be separate from the roof. It can be the same mesh. Oh, they're not combined. They're separate. Or is this wrong? They're just grouped together. I just wanted to be able to move them together. Is that wrong? Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, no. I didn't want to deal with that. That seemed like a bad idea. This seemed like the right way to do it. At least to me, it seemed like the right way to do it. Okay, I gotta do that for now. Okay. Let me just do, where's the faithful? Faithful bride. I need a roof blank. Oh, thank you for the thank you for the follow, man. Much appreciated. There we go. I think that looks good. Ah, wrong. There we go. What's going on here? Select object. There we go. I have so much to learn about making meshes like this. Oof. Modular meshes are harder to do than I thought they were going to be. I was really hoping for them to be easier. To do 180. There we go. I think that's about where I would want it. Gonna have to figure that one out as I get there. Do, do, do. There we go. Do, 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 do. There we go. And then I need at least one more. And this will be -90. There we go. Actually, what I can do here is just do this. Since I'm not texturing this, I might texture it in the future. I would like to texture it in the future, but I think if I'm going to texture it in the future, I should just rebuild it. Because right now I think the texturing is going to be a bit of a pain. All right, there we go. You are going to have a bad time trying to texture this asset. Yeah. Yeah. I imagine it's going to be horrific. Too many pieces. Yeah. That are all wib wob. Should have made it modular. I did. I made it modular. At least I thought I did. It's modular. I just did a really shitty job at making it modular. So like it's made out of a bunch of little pieces. I just did a very shitty job at building the pieces. Right? Exactly. Modular-ish. Yeah. But also, to be fair, it's my first time making something like this. So I, made the best of a shitty situation. Oh God, it's so bad. Things to learn from. Exactly. That was my thought too. I've learned that I'm bad at this, but I also learned I can get better. That's my takeaway. I can do this better in the future. Don't mind me. I'm going to do something horrible. Yep. You know what? I can only get better. Like it may be bad, but on the bright side, the topology is pretty clean. I worked really, really hard on making sure that my topology was clean. So like at least I had that going for me. The topology actually is relatively clean on everything. At least I think it's clean. I still don't really know what clean means, but you know, I think I'm getting there. Topology is B minus. See, it's clean. A B minus is better than I was expecting. I don't know. Right now, it's used to try and look like whatever building it's supposed to be. That's what we're going for. We're going for, does it kind of look like the faithful bride? If yes, then it's good. If not, then I'm fucked. Oh, this is the side. That's why it's all weird. There we go. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. You will learn more about different topologies for different uses as you continue. Yeah, that's kind of the hope. Oh my god, I'm almost done. I would call this like low poly topology for a game, no normal mapping. I usually go for no low poly too. So, are you doing low poly? Are you doing 3D modeling for hobby? What want to get into it as a career? Doing it as a hobby. I have a career that I actually really, really enjoy. I make web APIs. I'm okay at it, but it's what I love doing it. So Flesh, you in the industry too? Fluff, you in the industry. Do you want to know something wild? I had the exact radio flyer that's on your art station next to me. I have the exact nice. That took me a while. I'm actually really happy with how that turned out. I did it. It is also low poly. I'm sure that you can tell that it is low poly, but it is also low poly. I spent a lot of time on that. If you're interested in how bad my typo geo for it is, you can always download the model from Sketchfab. I release almost all of my models on Sketchfab. The HD releases anything anyway. Yeah, I'm a 3D environment artist. I've worked on games like Age of Empires and Zelda Skyward Sword. the HD release anyways. Nice. Nice. I am in TV, lots of HBO and Amazon shows where I work. Damn, you guys know your shit. I work for a medical company building web APIs for communications stuff. I feel like we live in different worlds. My last job was single event betting. Before that, I worked for Hootsuite, which did social media management stuff. I wonder if I can rotate all of these at the same time. What is it? It's the X that I need to rotate, right? 90? 180, right? 0. If you want to go the CG route, don't discount your Python knowledge. Learn how to make CG tools, and lots of places will want you. I've played around with CG stuff. I actually plan on I actually want to do Houdini stuff at some point. Yeah, Houdini's a lot of fun. I really like Houdini. Vex Code, also good stuff. I don't know Vex Code. That's your best bet to break into the industry. I don't know that I will ever work in this industry. If I'm being completely honest, I don't know that I'd ever work in this industry. I don't think that this is the type of work that I would really, really enjoy doing full time. It would probably drive me crazy. Although, who knows? Maybe someday. We'll have to see. But it would definitely be it's not always fun in games. It's a lot of stress. Yeah. That's kind of like what deters me. The hours and everything like that are kind of just not really what I'm looking for. Do you like working weekends? Nope. If so, then CG will be great for you. Yeah. Maybe CG might be the way that I go. Maybe. Who knows? Someday. Only time will tell whether or not I ever actually get around to doing it. I work normal full-time hours. I also work normal full-time hours. Work Monday through Friday. And I get Canadian and American holidays. We don't work overtime. And I am not currently on call. Holy shit, it's almost done. if I CG would be mostly like Houdini stuff though, right? I almost actually did work in the industry at one point. I interviewed for uh, Demonware or Damonware or something like that. It was. No, not there. I did interview for them as well, but Damon where? CG is anything with computer graphics, but people tend to refer to it as 3D. And oh yeah. What was it? It was Vancouver VFX Studios. I think they're still around. No. Was it this? They worked on one of the. Was it Digital Domain? No. I don't know. They worked on some of they worked on Thanos's head or something like that. Did an interview with them, and I built a tool for dealing with like versioning in Python as my thing. All right, let's add the fences and then we're done. Oof. All I need to do is add fences and I'm mostly done. Oh my God, I'm so close to being done. I am almost so happy. And I'm almost out of time. The hardest part is going to be taking the photos. That's the bar, fireplace, roof, bottom corner, railing end. Need these parts. Okay. All right, there we go. Everyone worked on Thanos. I get you. I get you. But yeah, like they did something to do with Thanos. I think they only worked on his head. I just don't know what part because I never ended up working for them. I did the interview and then I think they had some issues or something and I wasn't able to get in. That was just kind of it, right? Wait, where's my railing section? There it is. Do, 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 do. I'm just going to do this nice and long. Okay, let's do this now. We've got our first one here. You know, probably would have been a good idea. doing these all together. There we go. Actually, let's just delete that and we'll just move this one over. Well, bam! Look at that. It's perfect. Marvel is notorious for hiring like 5 studios to do the same FX for the same shot just to speed up Marvel's look approval since they have to shit out so many shows and don't have time to wait on one studio come up and iterate on a look. Stop duplicating. Don't do tie by hand. Shift D duplicate special. It will translate it to the same amount with the don't do tie by hand. Shift D to duplicate special. It will translate it the same amount. Don't do it by hand. I am so confused. I am barely keeping up with what's going on right now. Select the mesh. Shift D to duplicate. Yes. Move your mouse. Damn it. They're off by just a little bit. It's off just a little bit. God damn it. Shift D. Oh, it's a good thing that I made that plate. Okay, so Shift D is better. Is what you're saying. Select a mesh. Shift D. Translate the mesh. Wait, what am I translating? I don't know what that means. Press Shift D again and again. I am so confused. Okay, so I select the mesh. Okay, I'm selecting the meshes because I want to do multiple meshes. Translates means move anything. Wait, that's exactly what I just did. Shift D, right? Now I can translate it. And then I want to rotate them all. And then Shift D again. Okay, so Shift D. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that is really cool. I see what you mean now. Okay, I'm gonna do that with this one here. Just apparently I can't quite do what I wanted here. I was really hoping that I could just, you know, copy paste. There we go. Okay. So I have this. Shift D. Move out. Shift D. Oh, why didn't you teach me this earlier? This would have been killer earlier. Oh my god, this would have saved me so much time. I wish I knew about it. Well, fuck. Oh, okay. Works on all attributes also. Damn it. Why do you have to tell me all the good things at the end? Okay, I should probably put in... Okay, where was it? There it is. Okay. Here we go. Okay, there we go. Now I just need to... We come over to here. Like that. And then this one. And this one. And we commit all the cardinal sins. Then we do Shift D. You can hold tab to select multiple things without clicking. Wait, what do you mean? When I held tab, it didn't work. I'm so confused. Left click. Give me a moment. I didn't do this. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know how to fill this any. So bad. Wait. Ah, yay. Negative 90. There we go. Shift D. No, I didn't want Shift D. I wanted Shift D. Once I met someone who did not know you could undo in Maya. That was a fun day. Well, okay, I'm not that bad. Like, don't get me wrong. I'm pretty bad. But I'm not that bad. Hmm. Hmm. Do you know what an instance is? It depends on what you mean. Do I know of instances in the context of 3D modeling? Yes. Do I understand instances in the context of 3D modeling? Not really. I I know it has something to do with like not having to load the same thing multiple times or something like that. I know I've used them before in Unreal. They're just objects that share the same mesh node but have different translate slash rotation slash. Yeah, that was kind of my understanding of them as well. Oops. There we go. Did you know that I am unbelievably happy with the fact that I'm almost done this? This was still better than my last project, though. Oh my god, my last project, I was not a fan. Oof. So my last project, I did Jack Sparrow from Disney Infinity. That was a pain in the ass. My next project, so next week's project is going to be another ZBrush project. Oops. That should be Gabby good, maybe fun times. Do. No big do boo boo. If I hope you don't have wait. I hope they don't have you doing characters. Yes. Next week's homework is character. Female body. If you that's stupid. Well, it's a general course. They want you to learn both character and whatnot. I don't mind it. It's a useless skill if you don't know anatomy. I am not here to disagree. It is my least favorite part of the course so far. I think is dealing with characters. So. How well do you know Python? It is my primary language. At the moment, at least. I have done a lot of Python. It's one of my go-to languages. So I have a deal to propose to you. Sure, I'm listening. Oops. I can tutor you in CG and you can tutor me in Python. Yeah, that's definitely, wait a second. Why does that look like it's inside out? Oh no, it's not. Okay. 1 hour each week. We might be able to arrange that. Do you know what you want to learn? Because like I know Python, but like I don't know Python for like I don't know a lot of the CG libraries and stuff like that at the moment. So I'd have to like go and learn those if that's what you wanted to learn, or did you just want like general Python concepts and good coding practices and unit testing and stuff like that? This depends. Basic Python, I assume, would translate. Yeah, I can teach you some basic Python. It's not too difficult. Python's a very easy language. Right? So, oh my God, I'm so happy. My level of happy right now is really, really high. I'm gonna add you on Discord. Sounds good. I will send you my Discord. Not gonna lie, I really wanted this building to take less time to make, but I'm not disappointed. All right, let's take a screenshot. Is there a way to take a screenshot without having to go into the rendering in this and do, one sec, accept. Wait, what? You already, oh, okay. Okay. So is there a way that I can take a screenshot of this without having to do the whole like Arnold setup and everything like that? So I just want to like take the screenshots without like having to like opening up the Windows snipping tool. And I haven't been able to find a really good answer on that one. Just use viewport? Yeah. How do I do that? Use the snipping tool. It's fastest. Okay. That's what I thought so, but is there actually a way to just take a screenshot of the viewport? There's also Play Blast. What's Play Blast? I'll need to look into that in a second here. As soon as this is done, I'm going to look into Play Blast. Ah. Oh. Ride. Oh, one. Save. Oh, wait, I forgot to adjust this. Not entirely happy with the building, but you know what? I got it done, and that is the important thing. It's done. Two. It's taking screen caps for your animation that is taken directly from the viewport. Ah. Oh, cool. Wait, did I save this? Yeah, okay, I did. Oh, wait, I should save. Before it gets corrupt and destroys everything. My hopes, my dreams, my everything. Hey, Funky. How have you been? I'm just wrapping up my homework. Let corrupt corruptions. 3. There we go. I think that's good for these. Now the next thing that I need to do is do that, and we're gonna hide him. And now it's just all of these to be visible. Oof. There we go. This one. Wall blank. Okay, wait. That was wall blank. Foundation. Foundation's just a square. There we go. What was this? Oh, right. This needs to be blown up still. Some of these need to be blown up because I did them as the wrong thing. That's fine. We'll do that. Scale this down. Here we go. Stairs. Do. How are you doing? I'm doing not bad. I'm just about done my homework, which makes me really happy. Because I spent so much time on this. I think I still spent more time on Jack than I did on uh on on this homework, but still it was a lot of time. So I'm just happy that I'm pretty much done. I love that tip, by the way, that you gave me. Oh my God, it makes life easier in so many ways. What was this? Oh, right, the floor mount thingy. Uh, 90. There. Oops. How's your night going, Funky? Four. There we go. And I am done. The homework is done. Oh my God. And it has to be turned in before 12. As long as it's turned in before 12 and it is currently 9:14, I am okay. Oh my God. I'm so happy. Oh yeah, and for reference, so I said next week's going to be a female body. This is the female body that I turned in for. I did not draw this. But this is what I'll be modeling next week. We're going to be doing it in ZBrush. I'm going to be pulling my hair out. It's going to be horrible. I'm going to try real hard. Hopefully it's not complete shit. But yeah, that will be next week's homework. Ah, here we go. Good luck on that one. It's gonna look like shit, eh? Okay. So, I have this. So this is a character sheet, so I can work off of it. I have the front, the back, the sides, all of that. So hopefully this will work. Hopefully this will work. You gonna be around next week to to watch me fail then? Okay. So, all right, the next thing that I need to do is, well, I'll need to log in and upload everything, but I need to make a video. So let's go take a look at what the video needs to be. Give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back. I'm going to grab my laptop and so I can sign in and grab another beer. Oh, Inox, Ion, I, Nix 9. Thank you for the follow. Much appreciated. Okay. The reason why I can't log in is I don't know the password because I use a password manager and it's not installed on the browser that I'm currently using. So I need to find out what the video needs to contain for my stand-up or whatever you guys call it in 3D land. I hope you get to use a base mesh. I can use a base mesh if I want to. My teacher is not opposed to that, although I opt to not use a base mesh. I opted not to use a base mesh for my last project. And it turned out kind of not terrible. Like, it's not good. Don't get me wrong. It's not good, but it's not entire dog shit. Right? Like, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I haven't posted it yet, but yeah, it came out a lot better than I thought it was going to. Fun fact, all the pros use base mesh. Well, okay, so the reason why I opted not to use a base mesh had nothing to do with industry standards. I opted not to use a base mesh because I wanted to gain more experience creating it from scratch. I see model. Because it has correct topology already. Yeah. Yeah. So I might use a base mesh for... Oh, here we go. Okay. Upload 2 JPEGs showing the front and side view of the finished sample environment. Use the Maya software, blah, blah, blah. Draw one. Assignment reference. Record a 30-second video of yourself describing your work for the week. Describe your changes and your challenges and successes while you were working on the assignment. This is equivalent to dailies. That's what it was, dailies. I need to learn more modeling to model hands and topology for a hand. I get the mesh thing. I can send you, Joe, I can send you the FBX if you want of this model. It's not terrible. It's not good, but it's not terrible. There's a lot of room for improvement, but I'm still really happy with it. Okay, so let's do that. We're going to open up OBS. Oh, wait, I should probably save this as well. There we go. All right, OBS is open. Wow, my webcam's not working. I might have to do the video later. Damn it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do the video later. OBS is being stupid. Oh, it's not responding now. Sweet. Okay. I'm gonna have to call it a night because I have to go. One, I have to make the video using OBS. So I have to do a quick OBS video, and OBS is being stupid right now. Close the program. Let's see if OBS... Oh, now it works. Okay, I can make the video. I'm gonna head out. I'll contact you about the tutoring thing on Discord, but not for anatomy stuff next week. Yeah, no worries. Maya's the one that I've been enjoying more than ZBrush anyways, and I don't do I don't do modeling, character modeling in Maya. So not that it can't, it's just that all the character modeling stuff is calls out specifically to use Mudbox, and since I don't really like Mudbox, I use ZBrush. Okay, let's do this. All right, so what was it? It was 30. Okay, let's start the recording. All right, this week I did the Faithful Bride from Pirates of the Caribbean. I modeled the full pub and did it as modular as possible. I learned a lot about how I did the modules wrong, and the scaling was kind of off on a lot of the parts, and it caused a lot of problems later when I was trying to put everything together. But I learned a lot, so that was kind of nice. And looking forward to next week. All right, thanks. There we go. You Mudbox. Yeah. That was my thought too. You Mudbox. Okay. All right, I am officially done. So let's see if there's anybody around to give a quick raid to. Let's see if there's anybody for raidie raids. Hopefully somebody doing modeling would be nice. That's kind of like the sentiment I get from everybody. Wait, Mudbox? Yeah, Mudbox seems to be a unloved product. Yeah. ZBrush seems to be the go-to in the industry, so I was just like, ZBrush. Yes, ZBrush seems good. Now I'm sipping on a decent beer that doesn't taste like peaches and cream. I guess it's that time for the anime stuff to come out. This looks like modeling. They are English. Yeah, let's just give this person here a model. I mean a raid. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you to everybody who showed up and chilled and all of that stuff, and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye. Oh, wait, we've got a little bit more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready raid. Wait, did it raid? Oh, there we go. All right.